I can tell you, it's not better than that, but it runs.
Alright, so got it drug back over here. Just for peace of mind, we went ahead and did a compression test just because, and it's got 150 psi of compression across the board, so that's good. As you guys can see in the turbo, there is puddles of oil, exhaust just coated in oil. So we're going to pull that turbo off. I had already found one on Facebook Marketplace that's in the same exact car. It's an OEM turbo, not a Chinese one out the junkyard. Uh-oh! The money shot.
I think we found our not ideal situation. When you can grab the turbo wheel on the exhaust side and pull it in and out. That's probably where our oil leak came from.
Yeah, probably. Here she goes.
Oh.
Yeah, oh!
Oh, it's straight sheared off.
That is something.
I'm hoping the compressor wheel is in here and not in the intercooler.
It should be in there. But I got you something.
Bro, how do you even do that?
Yeah.
Push the throttle wrong?
I guess I hit the gas wrong and it broke.
R.I.P. Did you your third turbo?
Third time's a charm, I'm hoping.
All right, James. Third time's a charm, right?
But this guy, I think we found a guy. Because he goes, "You brought tools?" I said, "Yeah, I got tools." He goes, "Pull off what you need." I have a feeling we're going to get out of this clean slate. And I'm going to do some wheeling and dealing, some negotiating, see if I can't trade him a sock and a hat or something for these parts we need. Because
you may need it.
We about had a budget, but we got like $143 left.
It may have got a little bit of rain in there, but that's okay.
Dude, water's fine.
We're going to pull the exhaust off and make sure the wheel's good and hopefully don't have any water in it, and we should be good to go.
We'll be good.
All right, here we go. We're back.
Maybe third time's a charm with this turbo.
Third
situation.
turbo. Now we're clearing codes. I'm sure your spark plugs are shot. Did you look at those? Okay, good.
Yeah.
It's race day number 2.
We are heading to the Freedom Factory for some laps.
Hit the keys. Oh, sounding much better. A little bit of smoke back there. Wow, it sounds good. Sounds real good, brother. Oh, oh. What was that? Burning off some oil, he says. Brother, I think you might have just...
I think we gotta get this out the shop, dude.
Yeah, back it out.
Back it out. Looks like you guys got it fixed up.
Clear it out, jack stand. I mean, I've never seen anything like this in my life. Okay, the smoke is not getting less. Oh, actually it is getting a lot less. Sounds like it's running really good now. Running pretty damn good. Yeah, a little bit. Okay, you're gonna blow it up again.